okay.
You need some help?
No. Look, my gym bag and all my crap. Okay. Thank you, boo.
You're welcome. Get this for sure. I'll take these out. I'm ready to go. All right, so this vehicle, this Tesla right here is another one of my maintenance clients where I do every 2 weeks. So it's not really bad. Again, it's probably just the basic, you know, it's not too dirty, but just stuff. You just got a regular vacuum. Like none of this is like super dirty, you know. You just got a little cup holder stuff. Just got a vacuum there, vacuum the seat. You can tell her dog probably been back here on the actual seat, but you see the floor, it's not super dirty. I gotta do too much. This is a light vacuum for real and a little wipe down. So maintenance clients are the best clients, I feel like, just because you do their vehicles so much and you clean them so much that they good, you know what I'm saying? So it's just like, this is what I love about detailing, man. Get those maintenance clients, you all good. Alright, the last thing we gotta do is the windows. Don't forget this little mirror back here when you doing these Model Ys. All you gotta do now, back up to the garage. She at 65%, so I'll probably put the charger on there for help her out a little bit. Back it back just a little bit more. Alright, there we go. And that's all right there, man. As you can see, that bad boy looking good, man. Come in here and just get a overall view of it. Nice and clean. The Tessie Model Y. Yes, sir.